Spit on it, bro. Oh, dude.
What? I purposely missed. See? Didn't touch anything. It went over there. Yeah. Do you want to spray it some more? Maybe that'll help.
Oh, you're pissing me off. Cocksucker. Hold on, just gotta hold that side up like that. Fucking give me beans.
1 hour later.
I can't throw the fuel cell, can I?
No, it's already dented and scratched.
We just take a couple, you know, a little bit of the paint off and.
Oh, you hit it with the grinder?
Yeah.
2 hours later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Well, it's about time. It's about time that we show them I don't do everything perfect.
Wow. It's not gonna fit. Alright, so I need you to take it out because we need to paint it.
$10 I can pull it out. Alright, so for the last few days I've been doing, last night I pulled a 14-hour shift. I've been doing some of the crappy stuff, like getting these plates all welded in, sealing up everything on the floor pan. I just finished up the 2 plates on the side here, sealing up the wheel wells so the tire smoke doesn't come in. And we finished up the engine bay. We got our dimple die plates all tacked in. So this is all completely done. Firewall is all done, welded in. You can kind of see the welds there. They're not too bad. But definitely, those that weld and they're really good at it, if you got some tips, hit me up. Comment down below and let me know. I enjoy learning and I like to hear what people have to say because there's a lot to it. A lot more than people think. It's not just throwing down welds as easy as possible, but...
Yeah, for sure.
What is that?
Your car's leaking fluid.
Yeah, okay.
You should check your heater hose. You're leaking, buddy.
I think I'm leaking some water out of the transmission.
Okay, so why do you seal that right there?
Because I don't want tire rubber to go in here.
So basically that's just a little hole, galley.
Pretty big hole.
Yeah. Big.
Okay. Anyways, so we sealed this up.
Yep.
To make sure that nothing gets in there. I got one more little plate here because there's still a hole. Add it there. They'll be all sealed, and then I'll probably just weld that up and call it good. And so I've done this side, and these welds here, I'm gonna round off, make everything smooth, so it's all nice and finished. Even though it doesn't really matter because it gets covered. Okay. I got all these little plates to seal this up from tire smoke.
Yep, makes sense.
Everything back here will be behind the bulkhead.
Yep.
I got the jack post in.
Okay.
And it's all finished, and it's got the cover underneath, plate hole covered thing.
So all of this is ready to be final welded by Jake.
Yep.
So all this stuff over here, you final welded yourself. Carlton did it himself. Turned out really good. He's downplaying his welds, but everyone needs to understand that this dude has literally just started welding. So for someone that just started welding to make something looks that nice, I mean, I'd be proud.
Thank you, sir.
So rear's pretty much done. We probably got 2 hours there, 3 hours if you count the fuel cell cage and the end caps and whatnot.
Then we gotta make some cuts here.
So why do you need to cut there?
for the clearance for the spring on the coilovers.
Just on that flange right there?
Yeah, just
Okay.
these guys here. And then pretty much everything up here is done, other than we need to refit the bash bar.
So refit bash bar as in?
Probably take a little bit of length off of this, and might put a little bit more bend into it.
Suck it back just a tad.
And then I gotta put caps on it.
Okay. And everything is ready to go here for Jake to finish weld, as well as the bash bar.
Yeah.
And the double die plates. So they're all tacked in. Steering column?
Yeah.
One piece gussets.
One piece gussets. Front
Gussets on the front.
Gussets on the door bars.
Gussets on the door bars.
That's not that bad though.
Not that bad.
And then
Because the gussets are cut
big,
out.
the big thing is transmission.
Transmission tunnel was a big thing.
So
That's, I would plan for one full day on that.
yeah.
But, what do we got?
I think we have some seats.
Okay. The question is,
Lawn chairs.
lawn chairs. The question is,
Which one's yours?
who got the box?
Well, like we discussed, it's probably mine.
For some reason, I feel like that's mine, just because it looks like a bigger seat in general. So, do we open the one that's already open, or do we open
No,
the
we
one
open the nice one first. Get our hopes
because
up.
you're hoping that that's yours?
Yeah.
Have we asked anybody to subscribe to our channel yet?
Like, subscribe, comment.
Well, I was just gonna say we should not do that at all.
Yeah,
there we go.
This looks like my tires.
Is it yours?
This one's definitely gonna be mine.
Damn it! Woo! Where'd you get the seat from?
Huh?
Where'd you get the seat from?
Sparko.
Who did you buy the seat from?
j2racing.parts.com.edu.
There we go. J2 with the hookup.
Yeah, dude.
That
Sick.
looks like a small seat.
I hope I fit.
So rules, we have to have a halo seat, and it's FIA certified, which is, show me where it's at. Right there. Certified. That's that little fancy hollow sticker that you guys can't see because of the light. And
Do I fit?
just gonna lean backwards.
Oh yeah, that's snug, bro. That's perfect.
Oh yeah, you fit good. You look like a tool, but you fit good.
And it's tight on the hips.
Yeah,
Like tight in here, but that's what you want. You don't want your legs to go.
correct.
So
One more time, do that again. You don't want to do what? Okay, cool.
I don't want to be breaking my knees.
Just wait till these guys see me sit in mine. I'm gonna stand back up, and the seat's gonna come with me.
Dude, this is pretty comfy. It seems, is it too tall?
No,
It's about right? 'Cause,
no, it's
like,
perfect. It's right
where
where
you
you need to
want
be. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to see.
I'm just super glad that these shoulders, because
Don't
my
come around.
big problem is small hips, big shoulders.
Yeah,
So, like the race seats I've tried, I've
Yeah.
been like this, and then I have 4 inches on each side.
yeah, for sure.
So-
Hips don't lie.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Dang, son!
Wow, that was hard to open.
Holy shit, that's a big boy! God damn!
Ooh,
Dude.
a sticker. Look.
What?
Just kidding.
Oh, we didn't even get Sparko stickers, dude?
No stickers.
Dude, look at the size of your seat compared to mine.
It's large.
Mine looks like a child.
Well, you are a child. Mine is a full-grown man seat.
No. It's a Urga caveman seat.
So, I also got my seat from J2Racing.Parts, one of my OG sponsors. Thank you, John Haynes. I'm not going to say that I went and tried this on at 425 Motorsports,
Oh, but you just did.
but I just did.
Bro, that thing is massive.
Yeah.
Unreal.
That's a man seat right there. This is the largest composite seat on the market. And I barely fit. Oh.
Bro, you really do barely fit.
So height-wise, it's perfect,
Yeah.
obviously.
But how are the hips?
Hips, I'm tight.
Yeah.
I'm tight. But, you know, it's enough to make it work. I'm happy because, you know, there's not a lot of options for me unless I get a custom-built seat.
Dude, your big ass head really fits.
So, if I lost, like, you know, like 40 pounds, Might help me in the hip area.
No, you probably won't lose in the hips, dude.
Well, you know, when you got such a... Never mind.
So, you want to just sit in our seats the rest of the night and not work on the car?
I mean, we got some beers in the fridge. I'm good. Let's do it. Screw the car. So, what else do we got?
Brackets.
Brackets.
Should be. Oh man, yeah, we didn't get our side brackets.
Whose is that?
Aren't they the same?
They're not the same.
Oh, this is yours.
Okay. They are the same, but they're not the same.
They're the same. And mine. Because mine has that, which is the seatbelt bracket.
Well, that should just drop right in. Boom. Boom. Lines up on the holes. Just like that.
It seems pretty lean back, huh?
Yeah. So side brackets are on back order.
Hey, bro, there's a transmission there.
Sorry.
Dickhead.
Anyway, side brackets are on back order. They will be shipping out today or tomorrow. Today's Monday, Tuesday, possibly tomorrow. Ship out, and they should be here end of week or possibly before Monday next week would be my guess. Coming straight from Sparko. So looks good. Could you imagine how tall my seat's gonna be? So I just got done cutting out where the spring's gonna go. So yeah, a couple of sides. Basically, oh, light's freaking out. So cut all the way here. It's pretty rough, but the spring goes right up here, and it used to catch on the edge of this flange. So cut this out. That way, there's no nothing there. I'll round here, and then round off all this right here.
It's not very straight, bro.
So
No, it looks good. It looks good. Except you missed.
Shut up.
Scuffed up.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. This side, same thing. Boom, boom, done, done. What'd you do? Let's see it. Let's see it.
I done sealed it.
You done sealed it?
Yeah, it's all finished.
Boom, all sealed up. No more smoke in the cab. Well, actually, there hasn't been any smoke in the cab.
Well, that
yet,
wasn't for
so.
the smoke, so that was for the tire rubber, bro.
Oh,
Remember?
that was
the whole
you're
conversation
right.
about
I'm
the.
sorry. I'm sorry.
Now you've got me lost and broken. You're a part of me. Now you've got me.
So, buddy got that welding in. He's working on this plate right now. I got the front done, as you guys seen. I did a couple quick plates. They're about as square as Carlton. Those are going
So
there,
not very square?
ish, not very square. They're going ish
Thanks for
there.
the compliment.
We're still waiting on the tube. Carlton needs to go and get the tube here. We have enough to do one side, but it'd be kind of weird just to do one side and leave the other side, right?
Well, I was thinking about using 5/8 square tube. Oh wait, that's already what's in this.
On to the next thing.
What's the next thing?
I don't know. I told him you were working on that.
Oh,
We gotta look at the list.
last little.
All right.
That's the list, bro. Now it's recording.
Okay, now it's okay. So I'll just follow you out.
No. Are you serious?
I don't even know if it's recording, but I handed it to him anyway.
Really? Babe.
I had no clue. What's going on? What'd you get? Whoa! Sick, dude!
No way. No gifts for Valentine's Day. Kayla?
She's like, should I order him a GoPro? I'm like, yeah!
Yeah! For you too! No way.
Valentine's gift ever!
Skidits! Pause, wait.
Colin, put that on there.
Colin, now. Insert friggin' single, ready to mingle.
And then I want the
Car
Tinder,
fabricator, Carlton McDonald.
I want the Tinder logo.
And at Carlton McDonald.
And animate it and swipe left because
Boom,
that means it's
done.
declined.
Tinder profile. There you go. What's up? What do you got?
Radiator, dude.
Nice.
Thick boy.
Thick boy. Thick boy.
Fits good though.
Yeah, fits good. Width is perfect.
Yep.
Thickness is great. Height?
Pretty.
Going to be perfect because that's getting cut off.
Yeah.
So it's literally going to be about what you measure.
Yeah. Exactly.
Exactly.
Imagine that.
So why are we cutting off the top there?
Because we don't want our filler up here. Which, yeah, we don't want to use it. We want to use a reserve that's remote.
Yep.
And then we'll cut that off. And then also these here will get replaced. These will get cut off and replaced with AN fittings.
Yep.
So.
Are we doing dash 16 or dash 20?
Dash 16.
And the difference is pretty well, okay. So I was, yeah, the difference is money for sure. I was mostly talking about the circumference difference is minimal.
Minimal.
It's not worth it to spend the extra money on dash 20 when there's no need to.
Yeah, exactly.
So in, just to put it in perspective, a dash 20, I believe a dash 20 120 degree fitting is like $75. A dash 16 120 degree fitting is like $38 or something like that, just to put it in perspective. There's no reason to go to a dash 20 when we don't need to.
Yeah.
What is going on, dude?
Sees daylight.
Sees daylight for the first time.
Yeah, so we put it on the car dolly, pulled it out because we got to get the bell housing out of Tori's car to be able to mock up my transmission to cut the trans tunnel.
Okay.
And it's one of the last steps before we're able to paint the car. So we got the dolly from J2.
Thanks, J2.
Put it on there and rolled it out. And
So talk about what's been done that you have not been filming.
so since the last time, I started to do all the gusseting. Got the gusset plates in for the front.
Same with this side.
On the other side, started the door bar ones, but I gotta finish the ones on the other side. Gotta have another one cut out. So, and then after that, I got the fuel cell cage in and the gusset plating done for it. And then everything else got finish welded. So Jake came over and got all this welded up.
Nice
So
TIG
everything's good to go.
welds.
And then I got the standoffs in finally.
Standoffs in. No more square tube. Ugly square tube.
So yeah, that's all we've done so far, and we're really close to being done, getting it ready to either powder coat or paint because we still don't know what we're doing.
So basically we're in crunch time. That's why there hasn't been a lot of filming. And to be honest, I haven't been here a lot to help him.
Yeah, so.
It's okay.
Yeah, and then our one-piece gussets that we got to do.
Yeah, so we still have the full one-piece gussets that hopefully will be done by the time I get back. That way I don't have to help him. So just like what he said, plan is to get the bell housing out of that car. That way he can mock everything up. And I need to pull my trans anyways because it's got a little bit of a leak on the tail shaft seal. So it's kind of a good time anyways. So it kind of gives me a, kick in the butt to get that seal done. Cool?
All right, let's get to it.